Creating an email account. To create an email account, you have to go back to your admin platform, your admin page. Your control panel. So I'm going to go to hostbeak.com first of all, then I'm going to log in. I'm going to go to hostbeak.com, I'm going to log in. Then while I log in, I'm going to navigate to my creator website, creator hosting service. Then I'm going to log in to my control panel. Now, most of the power, all the power, or a lot of power, is in your control panel. So please, when you are on your control panel, be careful what you do there, because you can scatter everything, or you can just it's a very, very, very powerful tool, the control panel. That's why literally it's called the control panel. So if you are going there, please when you're going there, be specific about what you want to do there, and just go there and do what you want to do, then run away. That's exactly what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to do what I need to do on the control panel, and I'm going to run away, because I don't need to do any other thing there other than just add an email. Okay, I'm going to do this in just 5 minutes, because because I've already passed the time I'm supposed to do this class for. So bear with me, please. Let me just spend 5 more minutes, so that by 12 or by 11:15 GMT time, 11:15 GMT, we end this class. Okay. It's now that my network decides to become slow. Hey, father. Or I think it's actually the service. Okay, it is the service. It is the service. All right, good. All right. When it comes to emails, from here, yeah, you can just come to this particular place and search email, right? And you can see it here, or you scroll down to email account, click on the email account, let it open. Once it opens, the first thing you literally see is won't create email account. So this place is actually quite easy and simpler for you guys to understand. So I'm going to create a new email account. I'm going to call it here at hopesupball.com. You can add any name, whatever you want. You can put your email address, you can put whatever name you want. Then you can now assign the space that should be allocated to this particular email, or rather what size should be allocated to the email address here. Then I'm going to reduce this, because 10 gig is actually too much for this email address, because I believe it's not going to be too much. I'm going to just put 200 MB. Then I'm going to create it. I'm going to create the email address. So you have my hey at hopesupball.com. So it is done already. You can check the password is here at this particular location here. So you can copy it out, Ctrl C. It is a generated password, right? So I'm going to click on save to save it, and that's all. I'm going to add another one, because I actually gave this email address to somebody. Dunk at hopesupball.com, same space. I'm going to create this. Then we have 2 emails here, dunk and we have hey. Alright, so that is it. If you want to view the email, you can come to options here, click on it, then click on this webmail. Usually click on webmail, it's going to just push you to the particular location where it is. I'm going to click on it. So it's going to open a new dialog, a new Windows, and open the email address where it is hosted rather. When you want to, you can add it to your phone. Let me check. I think this account set up. Good. So this is literally all the information you need when it pertains to the email. You have the ports in case all this information, they may ask you this information when you are trying to sign in sometimes. So you can take a screenshot of yours. You can take a screenshot of yours and use it anytime you want to use it. So let's go back to, let's see the mail. So voila, I have my email here created, and it's empty because nobody has sent me a message, but later on I should start getting emails. So yeah, that's all for creating emails. Very simple and short. As you can see, it's not tough actually. So yeah, any questions please, because I am done for all the classes. Yay. Woo. Okay, another